Oh, it's wet. Ah. Nasty brake bumps. Not enough speed. Oh my goodness.
It's doable.
Zach, which one are you?
You want to do left?
Which one are you gonna go?
Have you taken this way?
Yeah.
Let's do this way.
No, I'm not doing them. I went over the bar down there.
Okay, let's go.
Is it that bad?
No.
It's really just deep compressions.
Yeah, it is. Let's go right.
Do it.
Let's go right.
This one?
Let's go.
We should all check it out.
Oh, not for me.
We
to
go
do it,
slow, bro.
Not for me.
Don't go slow.
Oh.
You just go. We'll meet you at the bottom.